We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2019 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special. This one is in vivid black. Up front we have the dual disc brakes, also has ABS. We have engine guards. Comes with a 114 cubic inch engine. We have rider floorboards and passenger pegs, locking saddlebags, and this beautiful saddleman seat done up by San Diego Customs. It's got this beautiful gold stitching and it's extremely comfortable. We have a heel toe shifter, nice dark smoke windshield, and the miles on this bike are extremely low. We're at 7,448. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are available for test rides 6 days a week. Come check this bike out. It's not going to be around here for a very long time.